Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Tuesday 20th October the 20th 2020. We have here a Tectonic with 3 stars, and this will be a number 1777. Yes, alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here in this Tectonic the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. That means the 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left in this area. This box should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. I cannot place the 2 here because in this triple box I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5 and this should be a 2. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and the 3, we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. This dual box, 1 and a 2, this should be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. But this area, I need a 3 in one of those 3 boxes, so this cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes, so the 3 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be in one of those 2 boxes. Alright. And now these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, but also this box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other should be the 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright, and now this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. these two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them for you. 4 and the 5. Then this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. I cannot place a 4 here because otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 3 boxes. I need a 4 in one of those 3 boxes. 1 and the 5 are already filled in. So this cannot be a 4. This should be a 4. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. And the 2, if I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 3 boxes. I need a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So here cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Yeah. Alright. So this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or there. I need a 5 here also. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. This should be a 5. Then let me see. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or there. Let me think. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 3. This box can also not be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So only 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now I have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 5. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 2. 3 and a 2, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This box should be the 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 1, 3, 5, so 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them for you, 1 and the 5. That means that this box cannot be 1 or 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 or 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the 4. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1, 4, 5. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes and there. Two boxes left in this area, the 5 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes in there. Two boxes left, the 2 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together as a pair with the 1 and a 5. So this box should be a 4 in this area. 4. 4, 4. Alright, these two boxes cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. 1 and a 5, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. And it's finished. Wow, 10 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you soon tomorrow for a new edition. Bye bye for now.